You don't need to spend a fortune to start making money. There are affordable machines, easy to use, that can help you build a profitable business from home. And today, I'm going to show you 10 of them. I'm giving you a preview of the best ones on the market right now, so let's not waste any time and jump right in. Number 10. Paper die cutting machine. Have you ever seen those elegant wedding invitations or greeting cards that look like little works of art? With a paper die cutting machine, you can create them from home and turn your creativity into a thriving business. This tool, which you can get for $200, is your ticket into the world of custom stationery. Just picture this. You place a sheet, choose the design, and in seconds you get a precise cut or embossing. Perfect for invitations, notebooks, decorations, or corporate events. Its biggest advantage is versatility. You can make everything from simple cards to elaborate wedding or birthday decorations. Each piece sells for around $3. If you produce between 20 and 50 a day, you could make over $60 daily, especially if you target event planners or boutique shops. Paper is cheap and easy to find. You don't need a workshop, just a desk and a bit of practice to start generating income. And speaking of turning simple materials into something valuable, now imagine weaving your own creations just as easily. Number 9. Knitting machine. Are you fascinated by the idea of creating unique textiles without spending hours with needles and yarn? You can get one for an incredible price of $50. Definitely a low investment, especially considering how useful it can be. But how does it work? Well, it's simple. You set the design, load the thread, and the machine takes care of knitting cords, ribbons, or strips that you can use to make bracelets, belts, decorations, personalized accessories, or even unique touches for clothing or packaging. With this machine, you can produce fabrics that adapt to different uses, whether for crafts, retail sales, or custom projects. If you sell each product between $3 and $5, you could easily make over $40 a day, of course, depending on the design and the channel where you offer them. The best part is that the materials are inexpensive, and the handmade products market keeps growing. This is an ideal machine for those who want to get started in the world of fashion or artisanal design. But if you're looking for something heavier, the next machine might interest you. Number 8. Jewelry casting machine. What if you could turn old cans or recycled copper into jewelry that everyone wants to buy? With a mini casting machine, that's possible. It costs between $300 and $700 depending on the model, and you can easily get it online. You melt recycled metal, pour it into molds, and create rings, pendants, or personalized decorative figures. With some practice, you can make 10 to 20 pieces a day, selling them for $10 each. That could earn you up to $100 daily, with high margins thanks to the low cost of materials. This tool is a 10 out of 10, as it combines creativity with sustainability. You reduce waste and offer unique products. Perfect for selling on social media, at craft fairs, or to jewelry stores looking for exclusive pieces. A perfect venture for those who want to create, recycle, and generate income from home. Alright, if molding metals can turn the ordinary into something extraordinary, recycling cardboard might become an opportunity. Number 7. Machine to recycle. Cardboard into padded packing filler. Do you have cardboard boxes piled up somewhere? Don't see them as trash. See them as a source of income. With a machine made to recycle cardboard and turn it into padded filler, for a cost starting at $600 depending on the model, you can transform that used cardboard into protective material perfect for shipping. You simply feed the boxes in, and the machine transforms them into flexible strips that replace bubble wrap. It's eco-friendly, useful, and increasingly sought after by companies looking to reduce their environmental footprint. You can process over 50 kilos a day and sell each kilo for $1. That way, you could earn up to $50 a day from home, without big investments or much space. Plus, you can adjust the thickness of the padding depending on the product, from a mug to an appliance. To find clients, offer your service to online stores, local businesses, or neighbors who ship packages. It's a simple way to start a business and take care of the planet at the same time. Now, let's move from recycling to a machine that will embroider profits into your life. Number 6. Portable embroidery machine. Do you want to get into the textile business without needing a factory? A portable embroidery machine will open the door to this industry. With a starting cost of around $400, it allows you to personalize everything from t-shirts to uniforms with precision that will keep your customers coming back for more. Compact and easy to use, this machine lets you embroider names, logos, or custom designs on hats, towels, bags, or workwear. It's perfect for entrepreneurs who want to offer services to schools, hospitals, small businesses, or even individual clients looking for personalized gifts. Each embroidery job can be charged between $5 and $10, and with just 5 to 10 orders a week, you could recover your investment in a couple of months. You don't need to be an expert. With tutorials and a bit of practice, you'll be creating custom designs in no time. Best of all, you can work from home and sell through social media or local fairs. An accessible and creative way to start a business from your desk. Now, if you'd like to create products that always sell, the next machine is for you. Number 5. Decorative soap making machine. Do you want to start a business with something creative and easy to get into? With a decorative soap making machine, which you can get for around $120 in a complete kit, you can create unique and eye-catching soaps that sell super fast. Perfect for a handmade business with high demand. The kit includes molds, utensils, thermometer, colorants, and everything you need to get started without buying anything extra. With this machine, you can make soaps with original shapes, vibrant colors, and personalized scents, perfect for gifts, spas, or natural shops. Each soap can be sold for $3, and with just 40 sales, you recover your initial investment. Reaching that number is easier than it sounds. Handmade soaps are a hit at fairs, local markets, or platforms like Instagram. The best part is the creative freedom. You can experiment with ingredients like lavender, coconut, or activated charcoal to attract different audiences. Plus, the production costs are low, which gives you a solid profit margin. And if you want to focus on something delicious, then the next machine is definitely for you. Number 4. Baby cakes maker machine. Would you like to start a sweet and simple business? With a baby cakes maker machine, which costs only $40, you can prepare irresistible mini cupcakes that are a hit at parties, fairs, or gatherings. They're easy to make and even easier to sell. And it's truly as simple as it sounds. You mix cake or pancake batter, pour it into the machine's molds, close it, and in seconds you have dozens of fluffy cake pops ready to decorate with chocolate, caramel, or colorful sprinkles. With the mix from a single cake, you can make over 100 units. And if you sell them at 50 cents each, you could make over $50 a day. They're perfect for birthdays, school fairs, or even as treats for local coffee shops. Its low cost and ease of use make this machine an ideal option for entrepreneurs on a tight budget. Plus, you can experiment with flavors and decorations to attract both kids and adults. Let's move on to the next machine, and let me tell you, it has huge potential. Number 3. Temporary tattoo machine. Would you like a business you can carry in your pocket that grabs attention wherever you go? With a temporary tattoo machine, which you can get for around $120, you can offer an original and high-demand service. And the best part is that it works with all kinds of audiences and requires no prior experience. This portable printer, compact and lightweight, prints designs, texts, or shapes on the skin in minutes, pain-free and non-permanent. It's ideal for parties, beaches, parks, or any crowded place. Each design can be charged at $5, and with just 10 clients a day, you'd be making $50, with high margins since the materials are minimal. The key is portability. You can take it to any event and offer custom designs instantly. From names to fun temporary drawings for kids, the only limit is your creativity. This machine is designed for temporary designs, but the next one engraves objects permanently. Number 2. Laser engraving machine. Want to offer something that really stands out? With a laser engraving machine, which you can get for around $250, you can engrave names, logos, or designs on bottles, tumblers, or metal cups. It's a business with personalized products that stand out and sell well. The process is simple. You set up the design, place the object, and the machine precisely engraves any text or image using a laser. It's perfect for personalized gifts, souvenirs, or promotional items for businesses. Charging between $3 and $5 per piece, you can easily make over $30 a day, with minimal costs in electricity and materials. The best part is how accessible it is. You don't need a large workshop or previous experience. Promote yourself on social media or at local fairs, and you'll see how customers come looking for something special. Without a doubt, this is a small tool with huge potential for creative entrepreneurs. Now let's close this video with the cheapest machine on this list, but just as functional as all the previous ones. Number 1. Homemade buttermaker machine. Want a home-based business that's simple, profitable, and offers a product everyone loves? A homemade buttermaker is your best option. With a price of around $36, this manual machine lets you produce a delicious and personalized food with no complications. This machine doesn't need electricity and is very easy to use. While getting a little workout, you produce fresh butter with just heavy cream, salt, or spices. The cost per pound is about $5, and you can sell it for $8, earning a $3 profit per unit. If you make several per day, the profit margin in your pocket will stay steady. The key is to stand out. Create versions with garlic, herbs, truffles, or even sweet flavors. Sell them at local markets, gourmet stores, or through social media, where handmade products sell well. It's one of the simplest and most affordable ways to start a business. At this point, you're probably wondering where you can get these machines. They're available to everyone on platforms like Amazon, Alibaba, or AliExpress, and they ship straight to your door. A low investment that can open many doors for you. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which of these machines is your favorite? See you in the next video with more ideas to bring you closer to financial freedom.